Today I'm going to show you how to optimize your Windows 11 PC for gaming in the fastest and most effective way possible. By the end of this video, you'll see higher FPS, lower input delay, and maybe even a ping drop. Stick around for all the tweaks, and if it helps, consider dropping a like, subscribing, and turning on notifications. Let's jump in. Before doing any system tweaks, create a system restore point. Don't worry, it's not as scary as it sounds. Just search Restore Point in the Windows search bar, click the first result, and hit Create. Name it something like Before Gaming Tweaks. This way, if anything breaks, you can roll everything back easily. Go to Settings System Display. Set scaling to 100. Ensure resolution is set to native, usually 1920 by 1080. Click Advanced Display, Display Adapter Properties, Monitor. Set your refresh rate to the highest available. Then, under System Notifications, turn them all off. They're unnecessary distractions and cost performance. Next, under System, Storage Sense, enable it to keep junk files cleared automatically. Also check the cleanup recommendations. Select and delete what you don't need. Head over to Bluetooth and Devices. If you're not using Bluetooth, turn it off. Under Devices, remove anything you don't recognize. Then scroll to Mouse Settings. Set pointer speed to 10. Lines to scroll equals 3. Go to Additional Mouse Options, Pointer Options. Set the pointer speed to the middle notch and uncheck Enhance Pointer Precision. This instantly improves aiming in games. Quick but crucial, make sure you're using a wired Ethernet connection. If it says Wi-Fi here, consider switching to Ethernet to reduce ping and packet loss. Go to Personalization, Themes, select a basic default theme. Then go to Colors, pick a manual accent color. Turn off transparency effects and other animations. In background, set it to a solid color if you want maximum performance. Now go to Apps, Installed Apps. Uninstall any app you don't use, especially bloatware like Xbox, News, Weather, etc. Then under Startup, disable everything except essential peripherals. You don't need Chrome, Spotify, or any updaters loading on boot. Under Settings, Gaming, turn Xbox Game Bar off. Turn Game Mode on. Go to Graphics, Default Settings, turn Hardware Accelerated GPU Scheduling on. Turn Optimizations for windowed games on. Now, click Browse and manually add your games. For each, set the graphics preference to High Performance for games, like Fortnite, Valorant, Power Saving for background apps, Spotify, Discord. Tip: to find the games.exe, go to your game's install directory, often under Program Files, or your game launcher folder. Next, go to Privacy and Security, Windows Security, Virus, and Threat Protection. If you use third-party antivirus, like Malwarebytes, turn Microsoft Defender off to save resources. Then go to Windows Update, pause updates for 5 weeks, and under Advanced Options, disable everything. Let's unlock a hidden gem, the Ultimate Performance Power Plan. Open Command Prompt as administrator. Paste this command. Link in description. Go to Power Options and select Ultimate Performance. This ensures Windows always favors raw performance over power saving. Quick final tips to boost performance. Clear temporary files. Press Windows plus R, type %temp% and hit Enter. Select all the files in the folder and delete them. If you see a prompt saying some files are in use, just skip those. These are system files currently active and can't be removed. Adjust system visual effects. Right-click the Start button and go to System Advanced System Settings. Under the Performance section, click on Settings. In the Performance Options window, choose Adjust for Best Performance to disable unnecessary animations and effects. Then manually recheck the following 2 options to keep the system looking decent. Show thumbnails instead of icons. Smooth edges of screen fonts. This keeps things visually readable while still optimizing performance. And that's it! Your system is now fully optimized for gaming. If you followed along, you should see noticeable FPS improvements, reduce stutter, and lower input latency. For even better results, check out my GPU control panel optimization guide and game config tutorials. I'll link them on screen now. Drop a comment if this helped. Subscribe for more. Happy gaming!